Expression.
Curiosity.
Kindness.
Aloha.
Love.
Authenticity.
Women's voices.
Love.
Sensual sisterhood.
Connection.
Presence. Courage.
The world needs more love. We need a lot of that, and if we get that, it'll be a better place.
Radical honesty.
Freedom.
Mystic misfits.
Unconditional love.
Perspective.
Vulnerability.
Childlike wonder.
Action.
Awareness about how beautiful and powerful they are.
Compassion.
Happiness.
Heart. Silly.
Spirit.
Philanthropreneurs.
Magic.
Essential oils.
Optimism.
Slowing
Down.
Synarchy.
Boldness. Integrity.
Joy.
Presence.
Play.
Entheogenesis. Laughter.
Art.
Patience.
Care.
The world needs trust.
Passion. Guide. Music. Story. Balance. Humor. Alchemy.
Reenchantment.
You.
You.